Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color a helicopter. Let's start drawing. This helicopter has two propellers. First, I'm drawing the small one. And now I'm drawing the big propeller. Now I'm drawing the windows. There is a boy in this helicopter. He is going to watch the painting. Let's color now. Green, purple, blue. Helicopter is going to fly so high after the painting. Brown, cream, pink, purple. He is so happy to be in this helicopter. Green, red, yellow, green. Great job, my little artists. You are doing amazing. I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.